How to fix the incorrect password error on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix incorrect password error on Instagram. Now, if you open your Instagram account and you type in your password, and when you try to log in, if it says incorrect password, the password that you've entered is incorrect, even though if you type the correct password. So what you can do is go to your Safari or any of the Google search engine, type Instagram Help Center and click on OK. And now here you gotta click on Instagram Help Center, and after that you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you gotta click on this search bar over here and then click on I can't log in, and here you'll be able to see an option that says recover your Instagram password. So there are a couple of ways how you can recover your Instagram password. First is on the login screen, you gotta click on forgotten password. Just like over here, you can see forgotten password. So once you click on that, you'll be asked to enter your username, email address, phone number, and then click send login link. And then you can click on OK and follow the on-screen instructions, and a link will be sent to either your email address or phone number to help you reset your password. So let's just do it. Here you gotta click on forgotten password, and once you click on that, here you'll be asked to type down your either email or username. So let me just type down my username over here. So I'm gonna type it really quick, and that's it. So make sure to turn on your WhatsApp and also keep your SMS phone active. Then just click on continue. So here you gotta click on try another way. And once you do that, there are two options. One is get code via Instagram notification. So if you're already logged in with the same account on another device, you can just click on continue and you'll be asked for a notification on your other device in order to get logged in into this. Or either you can get code or link via SMS. So you can just select your phone number, and a specific code would be sent to your number, and you can verify that and then reset your password. So that is basically how you can fix incorrect password error on Instagram. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.